Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to feed Maltese in Heartopia game Maltese event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. So there is a new event called the Maltese event, and during this event you'll be able to interact with the Maltese, and if you want to find the trough, you can go to the forest island. Okay, this is the forest island. You can use this bus stop to quickly teleport to the forest island, and you will find the Maltese trough here. Make sure that you fill the trough fully, and after the trough is full, you can interact with the Maltese. Okay, just like this. Click on this menu. Okay, you need to fill the trough first. I'm going to fill it with this one, and also meat. Okay, and I'm going to feed the Maltese. Okay, let's meet him. Click on this menu and you can feed the Maltese. Okay, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how you can feed Maltese in Heartopia Maltese event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.